If your PlayStation 5 update is stuck, you can follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your console back to normal. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. This can often resolve minor software issues. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing the connection in the settings menu. If your connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Clear cache. To clear the cache, turn off your PS5 and then boot it into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Once in safe mode, select the option to clear the cache and rebuild the database. This can help fix update issues. Step 4. Reinstall the update. If the update is still stuck, you may need to reinstall it. In safe mode, select the option to update system software. You can use a USB drive with the update file downloaded from the PlayStation website to perform this step. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help you with repairs if necessary. Following these steps should help you resolve the issue with your PlayStation 5 update. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.